Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make a kawaii Christmas candy cane charm out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have a pretty large bowl of some white clay, and I'm going to roll this into a really thick snake. And then set that aside. So now I have two equal sized balls of red and translucent clay, and I'm going to mix them together. Since the red is super highly pigmented and it just goes everywhere, I like to mix it with the translucent clay so that it doesn't transfer over to the white clay and just sort of smudge all over it. Now the colour is nice and even, I've gone ahead and pinched off two small balls and one slightly bigger one. And I'm going to roll these into really long snakes. And stick them onto the white snake horizontally in 3 different places. So now once it looks like this, I'm going to really lightly start rolling the snake to flatten the red onto the white. And then twist the ends of it as well. Then cut it shorter with a blade. So now I've turned the snake vertically onto my work surface. I'm going to bend the top into a cane shape. And then trim off the edges with the blade so that it's shorter. And now it's time to add the face, so just using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes. And then adding in little balls of black. And adding on a little U shape for the mouth. In goes an eye pin to turn it into a charm, and I'm going to bake it using my package's instructions. Once it's fully cooled down, I'm securing the eye pin with some super glue. And glazing it with some UV resin. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!